first on the list, I feel like I had to put lettuce first and foremost because that is one that is just amazing and it's super easy to grow. It's one of my favorite things. And for lettuce, like I in that picture right there, I had it growing in smart pots. It works amazing growing in smart pots, and it's just one that can take the weather really easily too. So if you have really cold times, I mean, obviously it's not going to take like super hardy like frosts, like snow, ice, and all of that, but it will tolerate, yep, like it says right there, a light frost. And I did want to talk about a few of my favorites. I'd love to hear what some of your guys' favorites are. My personal favorites here, I put in some of my favorites here too. My personal favorite is this sandy lettuce. Yep. Did you know I was going to say sandy too?
I waited till you pulled it up.
Yeah, so sandy lettuce seeds are. We did a taste test. So this last year, we grew like, I don't even know how many different lettuce varieties we grew, but we grew so many. And we went through one day and just taste tested a leaf from every single one. And this one was one that I thought it tasted incredible and it was just really pretty too. I really liked the looks of it and it tasted amazing. So it had a lot going for it. So it was definitely one of my favorites.
Got a question from Celeste. You definitely can right now. Now, once it starts getting hotter, then you're going to have to either vent the greenhouse or keep it from getting too hot because lettuce does not like to be hot. So, but this time of year, you can definitely grow it in a greenhouse. A lot of people are. We're growing it actually like in our sunroom right outside of where Carrie's sitting right now, right off of our kitchen. We have a little sunroom we have a grow light above it because it doesn't get quite enough sun. But you could even grow it in a windowsill if it gets enough sun. But I know, like Celeste, you commented earlier saying that she just moved onto a 30-acre farm with a huge greenhouse.
Ooh,
Yeah.
nice.
So you're going to want to try. I'm betting you, like, so what you're going to want to do in that situation is you're going to want to start your seeds in that greenhouse. If you checked, like last week, we talked all about seed starting. You can see all about like the seed starting trays we use. The bootstrap farmer ones, definitely the ones I'd recommend for you for the scale you're going to be growing at. And then you can start your lettuce in the greenhouse, and then move it outside once it's able to. Lettuce can handle cold. It just doesn't like super cold. So you got to be like in the 40s and 50s really before you start planting your lettuce outside. But you can also do other things to protect them and stuff. But yeah, that's what you need to do with lettuce in your situation, Celeste.
Yeah, that was a great question. So I also want to include one more variety of lettuce too, and this one I know I've heard from you guys that it is one of your favorites too. But this was one that was especially Dale's favorite. He really likes the flavor of these, like, and I do. Like they're really good.
Yep, this one's really good, and it comes in this blend I really like because you get the two different colors of it. So that's really nice about this blend, but this one tastes really good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. I would love to hear if you guys have any favorites in particular too. I'd love to hear that.
There was another one that was Little Gem. This one was really good
Mhm.
too. We were a big fan of that one, as well as the Bower was really good. Remember how pretty that one? You love the way that one looked, and it does
Yes.
make like a really nice, and it survives the cold a little better than some of the other ones did as well.
Yeah, and then like I really like the red sails is really pretty. The bronze beauty, that one too is really nice. Like
Yeah.
there's so many different varieties out there that are just there's like yeah, it's hard to just pick one. That's why we grow so much lettuce because we have
Yeah.
different colors and textures and tastes. Like they're all just yeah, they're all incredible.
That's one of the great things about lettuce is when you do talk about growing lettuce, you're talking about like what variety do I grow? You're not talking
Mhm.
about how do I prevent the squash bugs from eating it because lettuce is really easy to grow. And it's one of the like plants I would really recommend you starting with, especially if you're buying salad mix at the store right now. Please grow lettuce. It is so much cheaper and easier. You just throw some seeds on the ground. That's literally all you have to do. Hopefully it rains a little bit. If not, spray it with some water every now and then, and you will have lettuce. It is that simple. Doesn't have a lot of pest issues. So, and it's something you can grow like really early in the season. So, We'll talk about some other things you can actually grow a little earlier than lettuce, but lettuce is one of the things that we're, and depending on where you are, like we said, like if you go in the app and go to lettuce in the app, then you will see planting dates that are calculated for where you are. So this one is set to Tribute, Oklahoma right now, but wherever you are, it'll show dates based on that. They're calculated based off your nearest weather station.